Welcome, friends. In this quick and easy tutorial, we're going to learn how to insert a checkbox in Excel, step by step. Whether you're managing a checklist, building a task tracker, or simply organizing your data visually, checkboxes can be a really useful tool. Hello and welcome to Zimist Coded. I'm glad you're here. Let's get started. To begin, we first need to make sure the Developer tab is visible on the ribbon. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. Just right-click anywhere on the ribbon and choose Customize the ribbon. A settings window will pop up. On the right-hand side, look for the checkbox labeled Developer. Tick it, click OK, and just like that, you'll now see the Developer tab added to your ribbon. Now go ahead and click on the Developer tab, then choose Insert. Here, you'll see two groups of controls, Form Controls and ActiveX Controls. The Form Controls are great for basic tasks, like what we're doing now. The ActiveX controls are more advanced and customizable, but today we're sticking with the simple Form Control checkbox. From the Form Controls section, click the Checkbox option. Your cursor will now turn into a little plus sign, which means you're ready to insert the checkbox wherever you want on your worksheet. Let's place one right here. Once it's inserted, you'll see a frame around the checkbox. This makes it easy to move the checkbox, adjust its size, or edit the default label text. Just be aware that the entire frame is clickable, meaning any part of that area can be used to tick or untick the box, even if it extends beyond the cell borders. Let's exit editing mode by clicking anywhere else on the sheet. Now, when I click inside the active area, the checkbox responds by placing a tick. Clicking again will remove the tick. Pretty straightforward. However, if the active area is too large, it might overlap with other parts of your sheet, which can be confusing. So it's a good idea to resize it. To resize, right-click on the checkbox. You'll see little circles appear at the corners of the frame. Use those to adjust the size so it fits nicely inside your intended cell. You can also hold down the Control key while clicking to quickly select and drag the checkbox around or to fine-tune the size of the frame. Once your checkbox is set, it's easy to duplicate it across rows. Just click on the cell containing the checkbox and drag the fill handle, that small square in the bottom right corner, down the rest of the cells where you want checkboxes. Now each row has its own working checkbox. Perfect for to-do lists or marking completed tasks. If at any point you want to remove a checkbox, just right-click on it and choose Cut or press the Delete key. It's that simple. And that's how you insert and manage checkboxes in Excel. Quick, clean, and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and check out more tutorials right here on Zimist Coded. We're all about helping you learn Excel and other tools in the easiest way possible. If this is your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join our online community, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.